Hi everyone, this is Kim here. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim. Here you'll find all things beauty and more. And today I thought I would do a video on false eyelashes for women over 50. So this will be just a quick tutorial for that. And this is especially for the women like me who hardly ever wear lashes. So I've only put on lashes a couple of times in my past. So I'm new to this as well. So stick around and stay with me and we'll see how we put these lashes on together. Now the lashes I'm using today is by Ardell, and these are the natural lashes. And this one comes with 5 pairs and it gives you an eye lifting effect. So this is the one we're going to be using today. And the first thing you want to do is pick out your eyelashes, and you want the one for each eye. So I've already picked mine out. And then the first thing you want to do is curl your lashes. So I'm going to curl my lashes. And it's hard for me to curl my lashes because I don't have very many lashes. Mine are so sparse and they're light. But I do the best I can. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is take our glue. And I'm actually using some old glue that I had from Urban Dolls. So I am taking this glue. And the first thing I'm going to do is put it on the tops of my eyelashes. It's hard for me to do because I have a shaky hand. My hand is never steady. Okay. Then I'm going to put the glue on my first lash. So we're just going to put that right along the edge there. I am going to try to put this on without using my tweezers. Maybe I will try to use my tweezers. Okay. And then we'll see if that stays. And then for the next eye, Yes, and just pressing it between my fingers. And there we have it. Now, if I can do this, anyone can do it. Because I don't have a steady hand, and I've only done it a couple of times. And of course, you improve with time. Over time, you get better. Of course, I already have all my other makeup on today. And today I used a mixture of my L'Oreal True Match Lumini Glow Lotion. And I also mixed that with my e.l.f. Halo Glow. And then I used my e.l.f. powder to set it. Then I used my Pharmacy pencil, lip pencil. And this was number 204. So I used that lip pencil. Then I used my lipstick that I purchased from Temu called Diamond Poo. I purchased this at Temu. And this is a pretty pink color. This is the one that's in the really pretty tubing. Isn't that pretty? I just love, this is my favorite lipstick. And this is what it looks like. And as you can tell, it gets used a lot. Because I use it all the time. I use it more than I use anything else. And if you haven't been able to recognize by now, pink is my favorite color. So I have on a pink shirt today, pink lipstick, and pink eyeshadow, and pink blush. So I've got another pink look going on here. But today was about putting on the eyelashes. So I hope this tutorial helped you in some way. And just know that if I can do this, and I'm 58 years old and I've only done it a couple of times. So if I can do this, anyone can do this. So, but these definitely help me because I have such hooded eyes. And my eyelids actually hang down over my eyelashes. So with the false lashes on, they don't do that. You can actually tell, you can actually see lashes. I have lashes, so it's really nice. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.